Say, Surya and Chandra are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2016 was as follows. Creditors 10,000, bills payable 8,000, reserve 12,000 is there. Capitals of Surya 30,000, Chandra 20,000. Overall capital of the old firm is 50,000. Cash at bank 10,000, debtors 20,000, less PDD 1,000. So totally outer column is 90,000, stock 8,000, buildings 20,000, furniture 5,000, goodwill 9,000. This is the old goodwill. Old goodwill means that should be recorded. Partners directly the partners are eligible to take that goodwill. So profit and loss account. This is the undistributed loss. Loss means the partner should bring that amount to the firm. Firm is eligible to get to the extent of 9,000 from the old partners. That is the loss. Totally 80,000 and 80,000 for the columns. On 1/4/2016, they admit Akash into the partnership on the following terms. Akash should bring rupees 25,000 as capital. He should, because he is admitted, because of the contribution of the capital and external managerial ability, the old partners will decide to take one more partner to increase the managerial ability in the business organization as well as to increase the capital for 1/5 share in future profits. Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 6,000 only. Here old is 9,000, but this is not accepted by the new agreement. So only to the extent of 6,000 is created, raised in the firm and shown in the balance sheet. And PDD is reduced to 500. Well, already 1,000 is there. This 1,000 means 1,000 is recovered. It is a gain. 1,000 created, but out of 1,000 which is decided not receivable from the customer, that to the extent of 500 out of 1,000 firm received the money. So only 500 not received. This is the loss. Building is depreciated by 10% and stock is revalued at rupees 7,000. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account. Third one is new balance sheet. So here first go to the PDD is reduced by PDD reduced. See, already created 1,000 is there, minus not recovered is 500, recovered is, this 500 is the loss to the firm, this 500 is the gain to the firm. Overall 1,000 is created. And building is appreciated by 10% by building. By buildings, building is value is 20,000 into 10 by 100, that is 2,000. And one more is the stock is revalued at rupees 7,000. Stock value is 8,000. 8,000 minus 7,000, 1,000 is the loss. To stock account, opening value is 8,000 minus revaluation value 7,000, 1,000 is the loss. So on the credit side is credit side is 2,500, debit side is 1,000. 1,500 is the revaluation profit to partners. Capital account, that is Surya, Chandra. 1,500 into 3 by 5, 1,500 into 2 by 5, that is 900, 600, overall 1,500 in the outer column. Both the columns total 25,000, 2,500 and 2,500. 2,500 and 2,500. Now all partners capital account. capital account. So one more column. Particulars. Surya rupees, Chandra rupees, Akash rupees. This is the 18th problem. 18th problem. Particulars. Surya rupees, Chandra rupees, Akash rupees. So say by balance brought down. So capital balances of Surya and Chandra by balance brought down 30,000 and 20,000 respectively by bank account. Bank account he brought into the business as capital by the newly admitted partner is 25,000. Next, by revaluation account, profit, that is 900 and 600 respectively. Next, by reserve, that is 12,000 in 3:2, 3 by 5, 2 by 5 to the old partners, that is 7,200 and 4,800. 7,200 and 4,800 by goodwill account. By goodwill account, you should keep in your mind this goodwill is not balance sheet goodwill. This goodwill won't be recorded on the credit side because this goodwill is directly withdrawn by the old partners. Only the new creation at the time of agreement that should be bifurcated. 6,000 in 3:2, 3,600, 2,400. So, to profit and loss account, undistributed loss. This is undistributed loss. Profit and 9,000 in 3:2. 5,400. 3,600 dash. To goodwill account, that is balance sheet goodwill. Balance sheet goodwill 9,000 is there. 9,000 in 3:2, say 5,400, 3,600 directly. Now to balance carry down, credit minus debit. Credit side minus debit side, you will get the balance. First go to the 25,000 as usual. Here 800, carry 1, 7, 27,800 on the right side of Chandra, and here 700, carry 1, 41,700. So 41,700 minus, this is the 900, So 40,000 minus 10,000, 30,900. 30,900, say 27,800. So 20,000, 20,600, 25,000. Say, add all these, deduct these two and these two. Then you will get these balances. These are the new for capital balances: 41,700 and 27,800 and 25,000. Next, new balance sheet. New balance sheet. After admission, liabilities rupees, assets rupees. So cash at bank, cash at bank 10,000 and capital of Akash 25,000, totally 35,000. Next, debtors 20,000 minus 1,000 minus 500, that is 500 is equal to 19,500. Next, stock 8,000 minus 1,000 reduced value, so 7,000 in our column. Next, buildings 20,000 is there, plus 2,000 is the appreciated value, 22,000. Furniture 5,000. Furniture nothing else, so directly write 5,000. And goodwill, created goodwill, not the old goodwill. Old goodwill already withdrawn. Created goodwill shown in the books, that is 6,000. Creditors 10,000. Bills payable 8,000. Capitals Surya, Chandra, Akash 30,900, 20,600 and 25,000. 500 carry 6, 76. 76 means 74, 94,500. 94,500. bank 34 94,500. Say stock revalued at rupees 7,000, opening value is 8,000 minus 7,000, 1,000 is the loss to the firm. Coming to the reduced to the 500, 1,000, old PDD minus 500. So recovered PDD is 500, buildings appreciated by 10%, 20,000 into 10 by 100, that is 2,000. Totally 1,500 is bifurcated according to their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. 1,500 into 3 by 5, that is 900 of Surya. 1,500 into 2 by 5, that is 600 of Chandra. Totally 1,500. So total both the columns 2,500, 2,500. Buy balance brought down 30,000 and 20,000. Surya and Chandra, old partners. Cash brought into the business by the newly admitted partner by bank account 25,000. Revaluation profit, that is 900 and 600, old partners. Reserve fund, that is 12,000 in 3:2, that is 7,200 and 4,800. Goodwill account. So created goodwill. It is not the balance sheet, old balance sheet goodwill. It is the new adjustment goodwill which is valued 6,000. So that is 6,000 in 3:2, that is 3,600 and 2,400. Totally credit column of Surya is 41,700. Chandra 27,800 and Akash 25,000. Coming to the asset side of all partners capital account. So balance sheet, asset side profit and loss account 9,000 is there. 9,000 in 3:2, that is 9,000 into 3 by 5, that is 5,400 of Surya. 2 by 5, that is Chandra, that is 3,600. Like that goodwill, that is balance sheet goodwill 9,000 is there. That 9,000 in 3:2, that is 5,400 and 3,600. So credit side minus debit side, 41,700 minus 10,800, you will get 30,900 capital balance of Surya. 27,800 minus 7,200 debit side of Chandra, you will get the 20,600 capital of Chandra. 25,000 of Akash capital is there, as usual we will record. So total all the columns 41,700, 27,800 and 25,000, 25,000. New balance sheet after admission. Cash at bank 10,000, capital of Akash 25,000, totally 35,000 cash at bank. Debtors 20,000 is there. $20,000 minus 500, that is 19,500. Stock 8,000 minus 1,000, 7,000. Buildings 20,000 plus 2,000, that is 22,000. Furniture 5,000. Directly no adjustments. Goodwill new creation. So creditors 10,000, bills payable 8,000, capitals Surya 30,900, Chandra 20,600, Akash 25,000. Total is 76,500. Right transfer. 94,500, 94,500 is the balance sheet total. See, note down all.